Have you ever wondered about the secrets to overcoming erectile dysfunction naturally? If you're facing this challenge, you need to watch this video. Welcome to Tova Wellness, your trusted source for holistic health solutions. Today, I'm opening up about a deeply personal journey that not only transformed my life, but could revolutionize yours as well. We're diving into 5 essential secrets to conquering erectile dysfunction, commonly known as ED. These aren't just any tips, they are natural, powerful, and life-changing steps for stronger, longer-lasting erections. Like many of you, I believe in a holistic approach to health. This means addressing the root cause, not just masking the symptoms. Whether you're dealing with weak erections, sudden bedroom issues, or simply want to enhance your performance naturally, this video is for you. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques you can start using immediately. Trust me, these tips could be the game changer between frustration and confidence. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more life-changing content. Let's dive right in and transform your life. Before we dive into the solutions, let's take a moment to understand what erectile dysfunction really is. We often hear whispers about it, but rarely have an open conversation. ED is when a man finds it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual activity. Now here's the thing, it's way more common than you think. Millions of men around the world experience it at some point in their lives, and it can happen at any age, though it's more prevalent as we get older, but there's no need to panic. The first step to overcoming any challenge is understanding it, right? And the good news is that ED is often treatable. With the right lifestyle changes, stress management techniques, and in some cases, medical support, you can regain control of your intimate life. So if you're experiencing ED, know that you're not alone. This is a common issue and there are effective ways to address it. We're in this together, and in the following chapters, I'm going to share some powerful tools to help you overcome this. It's important to understand that ED isn't just a physical issue, it often has a psychological component too. Many men feel embarrassed or ashamed when facing this challenge, and they suffer in silence. But that shouldn't be the case. We need to break the stigma surrounding ED. It's time to normalize the conversation and encourage open communication about sexual health. Just like any other health concern, talking about it openly can help us find solutions and support each other. Remember, seeking help from a healthcare professional is a sign of strength, not weakness. Don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor if you're experiencing ED. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend the most effective treatment options for you. One of the biggest culprits behind erectile dysfunction is often overlooked stress and anxiety. Think about it, when you're constantly stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, your heart races, your muscles tense up, and your body prioritizes survival over less urgent functions, like, you guessed it, sexual response. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol is important for dealing with immediate threats, but chronically high levels can wreak havoc on your body, including your testosterone levels, blood flow, and ultimately your erections. So, what's the solution? We need to find ways to manage that stress and anxiety. And the good news is there are plenty of simple, effective techniques you can incorporate into your daily life. Let's explore some powerful, stress-busting strategies in the next section. Remember, managing stress isn't just about improving your erections, but your overall health. Let's talk about practical ways to manage stress. Find stress management techniques that resonate with you. One of my favorites is meditation. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. You'll feel much calmer afterwards. Deep breathing exercises are another fantastic tool. Consciously slowing down your breathing can signal your body to relax, and don't underestimate the power of moving your body. Even a simple 10-minute walk can work wonders. Exercise helps to release endorphins, boosting your mood. Make these techniques a regular part of. All right, guys, let's talk about exercise. Now, you might be thinking, Doc, what does working out have to do with my performance in the bedroom? Trust me, the connection is stronger than you think. We already know that good blood flow is key for a strong erection, and exercise is like a supercharger for your circulatory system. It's like unclogging those pipes and getting everything flowing smoothly. Specifically, we want to focus on exercises that target the pelvic region. And no, I'm not just talking about squats at the gym, although those are great for overall strength. We're going to dive into some targeted exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. These exercises are discreet and effective, so stick with me. The first exercise we're going to master is the Kegel. Now, before you laugh, this exercise is like weightlifting for your pelvic floor muscles, the muscles responsible for supporting erections. To do a Kegel, imagine you're trying to stop yourself from urinating midstream. That squeezing sensation, that's you activating those pelvic floor muscles. Hold the contraction for 5 seconds, then release. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps daily. You can do these anywhere, in the car, at your desk, even while watching TV. No one will know your little secret. And the best part? Stronger pelvic floor muscles can lead to stronger, longer-lasting erections. It's a win-win, guys. We all know the saying, you are what you eat, right? Well, it's especially true when it comes to erectile health. The foods you put into your body can have a huge impact on your performance in the bedroom. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, would you? So why do it to your body? We want to give your body the premium fuel it needs to perform at its best. So what exactly should you be eating? Well, there are certain foods that are like natural Viagra, helping to boost blood flow and support healthy erections. And the best part is, they're delicious. Let's dive into some specific food groups that you should be adding to your grocery list. First up, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a powerful vasodilator that helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Next, we have healthy fats. Think avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can improve blood flow. Don't forget about berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage and keep everything running smoothly. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a world of difference. It's not about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that fuel your body and We're spending a lot of time talking about lifestyle changes, and that's because they're the foundation for a healthy life in general, but also a healthy sex life. You might be surprised to learn just how much of an impact a good night's sleep has on your performance in the bedroom. Guys, when you sleep, your body is working hard. It's during those deep sleep cycles that your body releases testosterone, the key hormone for your libido, and your ability to achieve and maintain an erection. It's like your body's natural way of recharging and refueling. When you consistently don't get enough sleep, you end up with lower testosterone levels. On top of that, sleep deprivation leads to higher stress, and we already know stress is a big no-no when it comes to ED. It's a vicious cycle, but the good news is you can break it. Prioritizing sleep is a form of self-care, and it can be incredibly empowering. I know what you're thinking, Dr. Tova. I'm up late working, I've got a lot on my mind. Easier said than done. I get it, but even small changes can make a world of difference. First things first, create a sleep schedule and stick to it as much as possible. That means going to bed and waking up around the same time every day, even on the weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Next, ditch the screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from your phone, tablet, and TV can actually interfere with your melatonin production, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Think of it as your sleep sanctuary. You can use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or even a simple fan to create a relaxing sleep environment. These changes might seem small, but trust me, they add up. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel, both physically and mentally, when you prioritize sleep. Now, let's talk about natural supplements. These can offer an extra boost when it comes to improving erectile function, but it's crucial to remember they are not a magic bullet. I always emphasize a holistic approach. These supplements work best when combined with those healthy lifestyle changes we've already discussed. Think of them as an extra layer of support on your journey to better sexual health. Before you start any new supplement regimen, it's essential to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if it's right for you. Consider any potential interactions with medications you're already taking and recommend the proper dosage. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It might take some trial and error to find the right combination of supplements and lifestyle changes that work best for you. With that being said, let's dive into a few natural supplements that have shown promise in improving erectile function. One of them is L-arginine, an amino acid that plays a key role in boosting nitric oxide levels in the body. As we've discussed, nitric oxide is essential for blood flow, and that includes blood flow to, you guessed it, the penis. By increasing nitric oxide, L-arginine can help improve erectile function. Another supplement to consider is Panax ginseng, often referred to as herbal Viagra. Studies have shown that Panax ginseng can improve erectile function by enhancing nitric oxide production and improving blood flow. We've talked about the impact of stress on erectile dysfunction, and that's where ashwagandha comes in. This powerful adaptogen helps lower stress levels, potentially improving ED symptoms triggered by anxiety. So there you have it, the 5 secrets to naturally improving erectile function. Let's recap. Manage stress and anxiety, exercise for better blood flow, optimize your diet, improve sleep quality, and consider natural supplements. Remember, these changes work best in synergy. It's not about drastically overhauling your life overnight. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Think of it like this. You're investing in your health, your well-being, and your confidence. And trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. You'll have more energy, feel better in your own skin, and enjoy a more fulfilling sex life. If you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, know that you're not alone. Millions of men worldwide experience this, and the good news is that there are natural and effective ways to address it. Taking steps to improve your health isn't just about physical well-being. It's about gaining back confidence and control over your life. It's about feeling your best from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that's all about helping you live your best life. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier, more confident you. Tova Wellness, bringing healing to your world.